Help!
We're gonna play a game where it's called Touch to Talk. The three players are going to make a scene and they have to be in contact with someone else in the scene for them to be able to talk. What we need from you is, what errand do you need to do now that you're not doing because you're here? Encoding grades. I got you. High five. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Touch to Talk with Encoding Grades.
Paano ba yung bagong formula ng grade? Hindi ko maintindihan eh.
Ma'am, can I get my grades na, please?
5 minutes. 5 minutes, okay? Alam kong hinihintay ka na ng nanay mo sa labas, but 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Estudyante din mo pala yung batang yan?
Sir, grade ko yun! Ma'am, na-delete ba yung grade ko?
Huwag kang mag-alala. Huwag kang mag-alala, okay? Alam kong wala ka natututunan dyan sa teacher mo na yan. Okay? So, please, Sam, dito ka muna.
Alam mo, bata ka? Huwag kang magpapanira sa teacher na yan. Sampit lang dito yan, no?
Two minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
2 minutes. Akong bahala sa'yo.
Yes.
Alam mo, dumikit ka na sa akin.
Ma'am, binubuli po ba kayo? Kasi sabi sa amin sa handbook, if you see something wrong, say something. You see something, say something. So, kung binubuli po kayo ni Mr. Cortalesa, sasabihin ko po sa homeroom teacher ko.
Mr. Cortalesa.
Kilala mo ba kung sinong homeroom teacher niya? Echo!
Mr. Cortalesa! Ako ang nagbigay ng sing-sing mo na yan. Nakakalimutan mo ba? Nung alumni homecoming natin, ang sabi mo sa akin, kahit gaano ka kabano na teacher, ako ang magiging employee of the month.
That was 5 months ago.
1 minute.
Sir Cortalesa, you are bullying Miss Flores.
So what? Ganun talaga in real life. Kailangan matuto kang maging bad, otherwise api-apihin ka lang din ng ibang tao. It's either you're bully or the bullied. It's your choice.
Ma'am, ba't ang daming doors dito?
10 seconds. Iha, alam kong gusto mo maging teacher. Kaya, now's the chance.
Ladies and gentlemen, Aaron, Thea, and Ding Dong in Touch to Talk. Wow, that was crazy. That was so much fun. Whew.
Spit, Manila.